name, sir. My name Rosila. You can call me Rose, 34 years old, married. I have 2 children. My experience 2 years in Dubai from 2021 until 2023. My job is take care children and newborn. Change clothes, change diaper, showering, accompany to play, give milk, general housework, washing, cleaning, ironing, cooking, and simple gardening. I won't go to overseas because I need money for my family and children's study. Now I am in the living room. That is, I record decoration, table, calendar, tissue, vase and flower, water bottle, and this is remote. Finish, see you, bye, 再见.